I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for streamlining invoice management. In this guide, I walk you through billing customers using billing schedules in NetSuite. With advanced billing, you can generate customer bills at intervals set by the billing schedule. You can choose to create bills from the billing queue or handle them manually. In this video, I'll show you how to do it from the billing queue. So we will go to transactions, sales, invoice sales orders. So here you have different filters. So the customer, if you want all, so for every transaction in the system or for a specific customer, you can then select the posting period. You select an open period for the transaction posting date, but please note that closed periods are not eligible for postings. You can then adjust the billing date. NetSuite defaults to today's date, but allows you to set a different date if needed. You can enter a date in the next bill on or before field to filter orders by their billing date. You then have the printing or emailing preferences, so you can choose how you wish the generated invoices to be sent by print or email. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips. Then you have the AR account, so the payment will post to the selected AR account when paid. On the right hand side, you have this credit card approved checkbox that's optional. If credit card charges were performed outside NetSuite, you can check this box. If you have the invoice in advance of fulfillment preference enabled, you might see a checkbox hide unfulfilled orders box, so feel free to use it. Here what I have is the select order number fields for barcoded transactions if applicable. So it's another way to filter. And then when you're ready, you select the orders for billing. You check the boxes next to the order you wish to invoice, and then you will simply click on submit to process the orders and create the invoices. Please make sure that the invoice in advance of fulfillment and advanced shipping preference are correctly configured based on your needs. Bills are created based on your selections and processed according to the defined billing schedule. For more detailed tutorials and tips, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.